This car.
Dad, I'm taking this.
Just beat JJ for
He's gonna hurt himself with this being mad. Hurt himself with this being mad. I have a drive stick. I'll drive you around, Mr. D. I'll be your driver now. I don't care. It's like a T sitting in front of me. Yeah, like look at this and then.
Yeah, it is.
Like this is all style right here, and then this is just the badassness right here.
How much horsepower are you running in this?
Whoa! Holy shit! John, you'll get a new bike. Relax. Damn.
You getting this all on film?
Shut up.